Let's quickly talk about the objectives of the program. And I'm going to also talk a little bit about the difference between trading and investing, because there is definitely a difference there. So when I first imagined this program, it was going to be focused solely on getting people up to speed so they could trade options on the indexes, which would also give you the foundation needed to follow our more advanced options programs if you choose to do so. And we're still going to do that. I also want to mention at this time too, you do have access to the Options Trading for Income webinar that's held on Monday mornings, and I believe to the recordings of those. You feel free to watch them, but also understand that if you are new to options, you probably won't have any idea what I'm talking about. If you continue to watch them, you will eventually pick up on it, but at the level that you're probably at now, you probably won't understand any of it. So just keep that in mind. Don't be frustrated by that. You will get there. You will get there. But that was initially going to be the objective of this, but it occurred to me that this program could be so much more. You see, our objectives here at our company, Locking Your Success, is to provide you with the tools you need to become financially successful. And part of that success for most people involves wealth. Right? Let's face it, things become much easier when we can provide for ourselves, when we can provide for our families. They're easier when we don't have to worry about where our next paycheck's coming from, and when we work because we want to, not because we necessarily have to. And Sherry and I, we want that for you. So while we're going to get you up to speed on options trading as we originally planned, we're also going to reveal a path to financial freedom through responsible money management and investing principles within the program as well. So there's going to be a lot here.